Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the First Confident Parrot, the place where you can improve your English through beautiful and meaningful stories. Today, we have a famous and very important story for children and even for adults. It is easy to understand, easy to remember, but it teaches us a powerful life lesson. This story is called The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
There was once a young shepherd boy named Ben. He lived in a small village near a tall mountain and a dark, quiet forest. Every morning, Ben took his sheep to the green grass near the mountain so they could eat and grow strong. Ben's job was very important. He had to watch the sheep carefully and keep them safe from danger, especially from wolves. At first, Ben felt proud to help his family, but after many days, he began to feel very lonely. The sheep did not talk, the wind did not answer him, the trees were silent. All day, Ben sat alone. He sighed. "I wish I had someone to talk to," he said. One day, Ben had an idea. He stood up, took a deep breath, and ran toward the village. He shouted loudly, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! A wolf is attacking my sheep!" The villagers heard his cries. They dropped their tools and ran as fast as they could up the hill. "Where is the wolf?" they asked, breathing hard. Ben looked at their worried faces, and suddenly he started laughing. "There is no wolf," he said. "I just wanted to see you run." The villagers were surprised. Some were angry. "That is not funny," said one farmer. "You scared us," said another woman. But Ben only smiled. He did not understand why they were upset. He was happy because he was not lonely anymore. A few days later, Ben felt bored again. He thought, "It was fun when everyone came. I want to see them run again." So once more he ran toward the village and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" Again the villagers came running quickly. "Where is the wolf?" they asked. Again Ben laughed. "No wolf," he said. "I tricked you again." This time the villagers were very angry. One old man said, "Ben, you must not lie. One day we may not believe you." But Ben did not listen. He thought it was just a game. Then one afternoon, something terrible happened. The sheep were eating grass quietly. The wind was calm. Suddenly, a real wolf came out of the dark forest. It had sharp teeth. Its eyes were cold and hungry. The sheep began to run in fear. "Bah! Bah!" they cried. Ben's heart began to beat fast. His hands started to shake. This was not a joke. This was real. He ran toward the village as fast as he could. "Wolf! Wolf! Please help! It's real this time!" he shouted louder than ever before. But in the village, the people heard him and shook their heads. "That boy lies," said one villager. "He tricked us before," said another. "We will not be fooled again," said a third. No one came. Ben kept shouting, "Please, please help!" But it was too late. The wolf attacked the sheep. Some sheep ran away, but many were lost. When the wolf finally left, Ben sat on the ground and cried. "I am so sorry," he said. "I should not have lied." Later, Ben returned to the village and told the villagers what happened. A wise old man spoke gently to him. "Ben," he said, "when you lied, people lost their trust in you." Ben looked down. The wise man continued, "A liar will not be believed, even when he tells the truth." Ben understood now.
He felt sad, but he learned an important lesson. From that day on, Ben always told the truth. Slowly, the villagers began to trust him again, and Ben never cried wolf unless it was real.
Dear listeners, this story teaches us a very important lesson. Always tell the truth. When you lie, people may stop believing you, and when you really need help, no one may come. Trust is like a beautiful glass. Once it is broken, it is very hard to fix. So always be honest. Always be truthful, even when it is difficult. At the First Confident Parrot, we believe stories help us grow, not only in English, but also in life. Thank you so much for listening. And remember, speak up, learn more, grow every day. See you in the next story.